Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we have some more amazing tool deals for you. Everything will be linked down below. We're starting out on Banggood because they have a bunch of Creality 3D printers on sale. If you remember, last month we did these videos that are down below here. On one video on building it, and then another video on some of the things I had printed with it. And I thoroughly enjoy owning a 3D printer. I've used it for all sorts of stuff that has been very useful and helpful for me. And last month, I think it was last month, maybe it was 2 months ago, whenever it was, a couple of months ago, whenever we posted it, the price with the coupon was $239. Well, they just gave me a new promo code that brings it down to $229. And to compare, if you were to buy it on Amazon right now, it is $279. So, in addition, you're getting free shipping on Banggood, and it is shipping from a USA warehouse, so you're not going to have to wait like a month to get the item. You get it within a couple of days. And I know several people bought it when we posted about it first time. If you passed on it, they're fun to have. You can see in this video, we posted some tool holders, battery holder. I made a little adapter from the sander to the vacuum. Some little adapters for the ratchets. These little clips were for blinds, and the original clips broke, so I had to make new ones. And it's great for designing stuff. And the cool thing is, everything that goes with it, that works with it, is free. So like when I'm designing things that I'm printing, like anything in this video, I use a website called Tinkercad.com, and it's free. You don't gotta do nothing. You just start using it. I mean, you gotta learn how to use it, which is a little learning curve. And then the programs that take you from creating a design to printing a design, they're free. And then if you don't want to create your own stuff, or if there's things that are too intricate, or you don't want to take the time, there's websites like Thingiverse.com that's got like a million different designs that are absolutely free. You just download the file and print it. So it's incredibly useful, and man, I really like it. I just printed a bunch of fishing lures for my dad to give a shot. I saw a bunch of people were printing fishing lures, and they're posting pictures of them holding up their fish with their 3D printed lure they caught it with, and I thought, oh, that'd be kind of cool. So he hasn't had a chance to use them yet, but didn't cost anything. A couple hours worth of 3D printing, we got some fishing lures to try. I mean, it's really cool. So anyway, the main focus of this specific posting that I made is the Ender 3 V2, which is the exact printer that I have that Banggood gave me a couple of months ago, or whatever it was. So, but they have a bunch of other, they're doing like a 7th anniversary sale or something for Creality. So a bunch of different printers are on sale, and no, I don't know the differences in a lot of them. I picked this one out because it was in my price range back when I was looking at just buying one myself. And you know, some of these, this one's $489 for the CR10S. I don't know what it has that's better than the V2 that I have, but I know it's a lot more expensive, and when I was looking at it, I wasn't willing to pay that much for one. But all the links will take you to the product page, and you can cipher the differences. But we have a promo code for most of them, and there's 2 of these that there is no promo code, it's just a sale price. Now, I think the sale is going through April 25th, but these promo codes they gave me only go through the 15th. So keep that in mind. Next up on Amazon, we have a pressure washer tip spray nozzles. It's a 5-pack, 1/4-inch quick connectors. They are 50% off, normally just $7.69. So 50%, you're under $4 for the 5-pack. Just out of curiosity, I looked up what Menards charges for a 5-pack. Obviously, different brand, who knows quality differences or whatever. But their 5-pack of nozzles is like $25. So huge difference there. One thing I will say about using these, when you switch tips, make sure they're locked in. There was one time I was washing the truck, and I must not have been paying attention. This thing wasn't locked in all the way. I pulled the trigger, and it shot, nailed the truck. pow! Like, woo! Hope that didn't leave a dent. So, be careful. Spray it at something not valuable at first, like your kids. Knife sharpener, 4-in-1, foldable manual knife, accessories, 4-stage knife sharpener, 60% off, normally $14, under $7 now. Not sure when it expires, but it was good today. It's good right now, that's what we know. Home Depot, we got a mechanic tool set, nice little carry-on. Put it in your car. When you break down, you'll be able to fix it. Or at least you got a fighting chance at it. 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch drive mechanics tool set, 149 piece, $69.97. Normally $119. I do like that you get all 3 ratchet sizes. Looks like a bunch of different sockets and a couple of wrenches. Sticking with Home Depot, we got the Woods 2-foot, 12 gauge, multi-outlet, 3 outdoor heavy, extra heavy duty. It's not even just heavy duty, it's extra heavy duty. I wonder if they have a super heavy duty. Adapter extension cord. It's 407, was 813. It's only 2 feet, but we had the Walmart one, which I don't remember what brand it was, but it was a very similar item around the same price also. And that sold out. So you can do buy online, pick up in store, and that would be free, but then you got to go to the store. So otherwise you got to find $45 worth of stuff to get free shipping. But 407 at the depot. Here we have some CRC Electronic Cleaner. Only $4.97 on Amazon. Home Depot $8.97. Advanced Auto $11, and O'Reilly Auto Parts $11. So half price on Amazon. Stock up. Not a huge discount here, but we don't see a lot of deals on Klein tools, so I thought any discount is probably worth at least notifying people of. We have the digital electronic level and angle gauge. And last week we actually saw a similar item from one of the Amazon, no-name brands, but that's sold out. But it was cheaper. $29.92 for the Klein. But there, at the time of posting anyway, there was a $4.45 coupon on the Amazon item detail page. So Home Depot's at basically the same price of $30. Acme the same price of $30. Zorro wants $40 for theirs. So Amazon about $25. Save yourself $5 if you're interested. Another Amazon deal, we have the Sunjoe 6 amp 155 mile per hour electric leaf blower for $15.49. Home Depot also has it for $15.49. Walmart $19.55, Target $19.80, and Sunjoe $21. Many of those other retailers won't give you the free shipping that Prime members get on this one. And if you didn't know, it is legal to use it to blow more than just leaves. It's legal. You're allowed to do that. I love using these blowers to clean out the garage. Leaves, dust, dirt, everything. Back the cars out and just start blowing. Take it all out. Here we have some Corona, not that kind of Corona. Long, straight, stainless steel snips. Do some pruning. They're $6 on Amazon, but here's the thing. Home Depot also has them for $6. And if you add 3 to your cart, there's like a buy more, save more thing where they will discount $5. So you almost get 1 free if you buy 3. So Home Depot is a better deal if you buy 3. If you're only going to buy 1, get your free shipping at Amazon for $6. Lowe's has them for $9.98 a piece, and Tractor Supply has them for $12 a piece. Here we have a soldering kit, 19-in-1, 60-watt soldering iron kit, electronics adjustable temperature welding iron with on-off switch, digital multimeter, 5 tips, desoldering pump, screwdriver, tweezers, by hands kit. It's 60% off. You're getting a million things. Normally $26.55, so it's got to be close to $10 with that discount. So fingers crossed that it's good. It's got a ton of reviews and 4.5 out of 5 championship belts. So we got to at least feel a little good about it. Just a little bit. Next up, we have a big glue. king of screw. Lock nuts, nylon insert nuts, assortment kit, stainless steel, $20.99 for the 180-piece set, 40% off. That's a 5% coupon and a 35% promo code. Goes through the 15th. Surprisingly enough, it seems that Vigru has figured out that we post a million of their deals because they sent me a bunch of free stuff this week. They emailed me last week and said, "Hey, we see the this and this, and you want free stuff?" They said, "Pick out some stuff in our store. We'll send you free stuff." So they sent me like 5 free things. So we'll have a video or multiple videos coming up on some of that. But yeah, that's appreciated. We've been doing it for 2 years, so they probably made a lot of money off me. CNC spoil board surfacing router bit, 1/2-inch shank slab flattening router bit, carbide planer router bit, wood milling by VOA. And it's 50% off, $10.50. Not going to find one any cheaper than that. Goes through the 16th. Make it flat. LED high bay light. 120 watt multi-point illumination, 360 degree garage ceiling light, 12,000 lumen, maybe, by Ravso. Now they make also the deformable lights, and we've posted plenty of their deals for that. This thing I think is so interesting. I posted a few times in the past. I wish I had a place to put it because I want to test it out. 50% promo code makes it only $25. You have one large light that screws into a regular socket. And then you have 4 of these lights that are on like a cord that attaches to the main. And then they don't have to screw into a socket or anything. They're getting powered off of this. But you can move them. You can fix them in an area. Or I'm thinking they got a wire. If it was not so high, you could just like grab it and be like, "Oh, I need light over here." And if it was like above your workbench, you just, whoop, I'm moving it. Because one problem you do have with the deformable lights is, let's say your light's in the middle of the room, you're going to create shadows just because all of your illumination is coming from a single point, or you could have something blocking the light, or whatever. So I don't know how long, it probably says somewhere here and I just didn't read, the other lights are, like how far away they can get, but it just seems like a really good idea. And these used to be a lot more expensive. There's a couple different brands that sell this. And I'm pretty sure the very first time I saw them, it was like $130. Really expensive. Same can be said for the deformable lights, though. Back when we first started posting them, they were like $65, $70 for one of them things. And now we can get them for like 10 or 12 bucks. So, LED stuff always drops like a rock eventually if you're willing to wait long enough. Solar lights, outdoor motion sensor, 3 adjustable heads, security light, floodlight, motion spotlight. IP65 by Part Phoner. $19.99, 55% off, so we're going to be under $10. That's an amazing deal. And we got a Tack Life 12-volt DC digital auto tire inflator, portable air compressor pump with digital gauge. That sets it off right there. They added the digital gauge. I actually have one from Walmart that has a, would be analog, a digital, a needle, Anyway, not nearly as nice. Don't like that. Give me the digital. We're in 2021 now, damn it. By the way, did you know kids these days can't read clocks? If you have little kids, please teach them to read a damn clock. It's a pet peeve of mine. Why would you not know how to read a clock? Oh, you don't need to read a clock. Everything's digital. Well, damn it. I'm putting a clock on the wall that has hands, and you're going to learn how to read it. $39.99. And let's see, it's 40% off. So like $24 or something. Next up, we have the Milwaukee Hole Dozer by Metal General Purpose. Salute, General Purpose. Hole saw set with pack out compact organizer. It's a 10-piece set. On sale right now for $69.97 at Home Depot. Acme Tools $130, CPO $130, tool nut $130. So basically half off with your little pack out case. Hopefully this one's still good. I posted it, I believe, yesterday. We actually talked about it like last week, so we probably don't even need to talk about it. I just renewed it because there was a new promo code. Anyway, I got it sitting outside in the rain right now. I don't know how well solar chargers work in the rain, but, it's waterproof. It does have a little door on the bottom where the ports are, and I'm imagining it's less waterproof if you don't close the little rubber door, which I didn't check before I put it out there. It'll be okay. Let me check, make sure this is still available. We had a different one, different size last week. Is still available for $3.79. The Bosch 1 3/8 inch thin wall hole saw. You can see that's price match with Lowe's. However, Lowe's will not give you free shipping. Tool nut $12.55, Zorro $13.91, and Menards $15.97. So incredibly cheap. It's worth checking that same Amazon page to see what other sizes are available and what other ones they're price matching, because I want to say it was 1 1/8 maybe that we had another video. It was in another video, really cheap. So, give it a look-see. Was this the deal? Yeah, that was the deal of the day the other day, so that's not gonna work. Here we have a Milesy or Mile C laser level DIY self-leveling green beam horizontal and vertical cross-line laser with rotatable folding tripod magnetic point rechargeable, 40% off. So $64.96. However, we have a 40% promo code. Again, don't know when it expires, and I posted it probably yesterday. And we also have a $5 coupon on the Amazon item detail page. And these things are fun to have. Pretty useful. That's it. We did 20. 20 sounds like plenty. Actually, I just want to look on these other pages real quick. I want to check the 4 pages across the top, just see if there's anything I wanted to mention that I forgot. We had a dash cam, 60% off. Another Tac Life jump starter. The battery charger. Oh yeah, the Tire America. So they emailed me the other day and asked if I want to join their affiliate program, and asked them about promo codes, and they said they got this one here, and they had a couple other sales, so I just added those to the automotive page if you want to check out Tire America. I did see they had brands that I would be interested in, like BF Goodrich, and on the Caprice I put Cooper Cobras on those on that because they were like half the price. But they carried both of those, so that interested me enough. I figure next time I need to get tires. Let's see. I think we're good, guys. So, all the links will be down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.